Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your font style set in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to change your font style in your Samsung phone device, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change font style in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So before starting with the friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video guys. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your display setting in your Samsung phone, so guys on it, then guys scroll again, then guys you can see your font size and style, so guys we will tap here to change it, then guys click on font style, then guys you can see there are three font style, and guys you want to download, so guys you can download from here. So guys I will not download guys because I have this font style, so I will click on this motive bold, then guys tap here, come back. So as you can see guys, my font style will change my Samsung phone. So like that guys, you go to your phone setting, and guys you can change your font style in your Samsung phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to change font style in a Samsung phone. So guys that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.